Hi, in this video I'll show you about file system permission in Unix or Unix-like. Okay, before we start, let me show this to you. There are three types of permission in Unix or Unix-like. First is owner, the owner of the system, and then the group, and the third is the world. This permission could easily set in Unix or Unix-like, which person could access and do everything inside the directories or its files. Okay, let's get started. First, let's open the terminal. Here, as a usual user, I could create files like this, and I could type everything, blah blah blah, and save it. Press Y, and this is my files like this. And I could type create the folder like this. This is like my files, my folder, and I'll tap this. This L flag show you the list of the files in the long format like this. Here you could see this drwxr thing, and what did it do? I'll show you in a second. This is the explanation what is the drwxr and everything else. The R means like this, read like here, and W means write, and X means executable. These characters means a lot for the users. We could divide this as three parts. Before that, let me show this to you. The D in here means the directory, like this. This is the directory that call my folder. And if you see like the L, that is mean links file, like the shortcut of the file. And if you see in here, it's the strip line. It means it's the ordinary files that here are my files. Okay, and I told you that we could divide this as three parts. The first three letters in here means for the owner system permission. The owner could read, write, and execute for the file on the folder and everything else. And the three part in here mean for the group. And the last part in here is for the reward. So like this, the example, the my folder that have R, W, and X means the user, the owner of this folder could read, write, and execute the directory here. Let me show you why this is file system permission is so important. I will show you with a different user like this. I will log in as the root and, and type my password. Now I'm as a root. I would like to create a file with nano, my second file, and everything in here, and save it. And I show you. This is my second file. Now I would like to change back to my ordinary user. As you can see, I'm as a root. I will back to the user. Here, my file. I would like to edit it. I would like to edit it in here. And if I save it, there is the error because the permission is denied, because I'm no longer could write this file but only read this file. So you have to remember these three things. One means execute, two means write, and four means read. So if you want to make the file is executable, you could type it as 1. And if you want to make it writable, you could make it 2. And if you want to make it executable and writable, 1 plus 2 means 3. Okay, so execute and write is 3. And if you want to make it readable, read only, you could type it as 4. And guess what, if you want to make it everything, Yeah, you count 1 plus 2 plus 4 is means 7, so it's 7. It's executable, writable, and readable. So if you tap it as 7, 7, and 7, it means the owner and the group and the world could access your file or directory as everything there's execute, write, and read, like next that. And if you want to make it just executable, just for the world, like this, and everything else that you can do. So how to change the file system permission in your files? Here's how. For example, I would like to change the my files in here to be accessible by everyone. So I would like to change it to 777 for the file system permission. Here's how. Using chmod. And what is this? The file system permission you want? This, for example, it's 777, and type the file's name. Here, you can see the my files now have the file system permission as RWNX for the all users, and so it's accessible by everyone. And there's something, if you want to know more about this file permission in Wikipedia, there's a lot of information there, and why you have to make the file permission and everything else. And so there's the video about the file system permissions in Unix or Unix-like. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.